SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to change the date on iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you've never changed the date or time setting on your iPhone, then it's likely that it's being set automatically by the device. But if you would like to manually set the date or time on your iPhone, then you have the ability to do so. Before completing these steps, however, note that this can cause some unexpected problems on your phone, such as websites not loading properly or certain apps not working correctly. Once you're aware of this, if you would still like to change the date on your iPhone, then you can do so by opening the Settings app. Then you can scroll down and choose the General option. Then you can scroll down again and select Date and Time from this menu. Now you need to turn off the Set Automatically option on this screen, and then you can tap on Today's Date, and then you can choose the date that you would like to set your iPhone to. Now that date should be updated there. If you would like to change the time, then you can tap on it down here, and then you can use this wheel to modify the time. Once you're done, simply tap the General button at the top left of the screen, and that's going to save the date that you just entered, which will now be used by your phone.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.